Hello, good morning, Thailand. I'm here in Krabi, in front of the beach. So this is the morning here in Krabi, Onang, Thailand. Very quiet. No people, not like the afternoon and the evening. When the afternoon and the evening comes, there are so many people. But moment of time, no people. Morning. Later, I will go there on the beach, on that island. One of that island, I will go there. I don't know where. Riley Beach or Hong Island, I think. Hong Island is much expensive, but it's okay. Because I think it's worth it to go there in Hong Island. Because we're only 8 people in the long tail boat. In Riley Beach, I don't know how many we are, but uh, it's much more cheaper. Yeah, here in I talked to one people from Germany. They said Philippines is good, but the island tour is very expensive. Here, no, not so expensive here in Thailand. Very cheap. That's why there are so many foreigners here, as in many foreigners. Yeah, because one of my roommate is from Germany and one is from Nepal, working in Bangkok, Thailand. So I'm in the room where where I stayed is we are four. It likes a dormitory room. So four people stayed there. Me, the German, and Nepal. So we all stay in one room. Okay, so bye bye. Walking in the beach is good. Very nice. You see, no people. There are people, but only a few. So it's good walking in the beach. Uh, just me, myself, and I walking here. You see how beautiful the place is. You see, and here is the beach is very clean, very clean. Even there are so many people last night here. Many people drinking here, but you see, there is no, what do we call that? Walang bakas ng kadumihan na iniwan. Yung mga bote ng beer, there is no. They are more disciplined than they are disciplined. Do you know it's the that when you leave a garbage or rubbish in near the beach, not good. So kaya siguro aral din sila. See? Hello. So I think we will do our breakfast maybe in McDonald's, because McDonald's is already open. It's 24 hours sa McDonald's. So we eat in McDonald's. So someone is sleeping on the beach. You see? They can sleep here. Yeah, but still managed to be okay. Someone sleeping here. Here is good. Yeah, maybe when I go to the another beach, much better. So later we will see, because here now in Thailand is Water Festival, the Songkran Festival. I cannot book a hotel in Danok because all hotels are sold out and full because of the Water Festival. I don't know where to stay there. So maybe later. Okay, so maybe later I will book my hotel there. Bye bye. See you. Okay, now I'm walking towards that beautiful view. It's on the side of the beach. So let's walk. Let's walk there. Actually, there are so many hotels here. It's good. You see, that is all hotel. Me, I stay also in the hotel very near the beach. As in, you just walk 5 to 10 minutes. You see the view? When we reach there, we take photo. Okay.